What is area? Area is a two-dimensional quantity representing amount or extent of surface. Area commonly symbolized as a capital letter A. The standard unit of area in the International System of Units, that is SI, is the meter squared, also commonly known as square meter. Area is usually measured or defined on a flat surface, also called a Euclidean plane, or on a spherical surface. Properties of area, commonly symbolized as capital letter A, must be two-dimensional. Both the dimension must have positive numeric value. The unit of area is square meter. For example, we might speak of the area of a parcel of land, the cross-section area of a fiber optic cable, or the surface area of the earth. But surface area is occasionally determined for irregular objects too. In the case of certain extremely complex or asterisk surfaces, the area might be impossible to define or measure. One example is a mathematical object having a fractional number of dimensions. Another example is an object without a well-defined surface. Please note, surface area is its analog on the two-dimensional surface of a three-dimensional object too. When expressing large or small areas, submultiples and multiples are attached to the meter squared. Submultiples of area are 1 square centimeter equals to 10 raised to the power of minus 4 square meter. 1 square millimeter equals to 10 raised to the power of minus 6 square meter. 1 square micrometer equals to 10 raised to the power of minus 12 square meter. 1 square nanometer equals to 10 raised to the power of minus 18 square meter. However, the most widely used submultiples of area are square centimeter and square nanometer. A multiple for large area is 1 square kilometer is equal to 10 raised to the power of 6 square meter. Recap a little from the tutorial on length in terms of physics. It is to be noted that the square meter and all other small and large area units as mentioned now are the derived unit of meter, which is the unit of length. Most commonly, we need to find the area of shapes such as triangles, rectangles, circles, and there are several well-known formulas for finding the area of these simple shapes. However, using these formulas, the area of any polygon can be found by dividing the polygon into triangles. For shape with the curved boundary, calculus is usually required to compute the area. Indeed, the problem of determining the area of a plane figures was a major motivational for the historical development of calculus. In addition to its obvious importance in geometry and calculus, area is related to the definition of determinants in linear algebra and is a basic property of surfaces in differential geometry. Citing example with calculus, linear algebra, and differential geometry is beyond the scope of this tutorial. Finding the surface, we need to know the formula for circle, triangle, square, rectangle, parallelogram, and trapezium. In real life, not every plane figure can be clearly classified as rectangle, square, or a triangle. To find the area of a composite figure, which consists of more than one shape, we need to find the sum of area of both or all the shapes forming the composite figure. Let's see how to calculate the surface area of different shapes. We know circle has three properties. Here C denotes the circumference in black, D denotes the diameter marked in yellow line, and R denotes the radius of the circle. To find area of the circle, the formula is area equals to pi r square. The pi is a natural number which is 3.1416 and r represents the radius of the circle. To find the circumference of the circle, the formula is c equals to 2 pi r. And here pi is again the natural number 3.1416 and r represents the value of radius. If a circle has a radius of 5 centimeters, the area of the circle is 78.54 square centimeter and the circumference of the circle is 31.42 centimeters. Let us see how to calculate the surface area of triangle. Here B denotes the base in golden color line, H denotes the height marked in red line. To find the area of the triangle, the formula is area equals to half of base multiplied by height. If a triangle has a base of 3 centimeters and the height is 4 centimeters, then the area of the triangle is 6 square centimeter. Now we will calculate the surface area of rectangle. Here L denotes the length by the yellow line, W denotes the width marked in red line. To find the area of the rectangle, the formula is area equals to length multiplied by width. If a rectangle has a length of 4 centimeters and the width is 3 centimeters, then the area of the rectangle is 12 square centimeter. It is to be mentioned, in case of a square shape, the length and the width are equal. As a result, the formula of the square is length multiplied by length. So a square with a length of 4 centimeters has an area of 16 square centimeter. There are another two shapes of rectangle widely used and known as parallelogram and trapezium. In case of parallelogram, the area is calculated by multiplying the base with the perpendicular height, and in case of trapezium, the area is half of summation of the parallel sides multiplied by perpendicular height. The area of outside surface of a solid or three-dimensional shape is called surface area. For instance, a rectangular prism has 6 rectangular bases and lateral faces. So the total surface area is the sum of the areas of all the 6 rectangles. Just to mention a fun fact that among all shapes with the same parameter, a circle has the largest area. For any queries, send email to rhkstore@gmail.com or write in comment section. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, do share, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Stay home and stay safe.